Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and choosing a pathway. This saves wasted time. First, assess which route fits: express entry, PNP, IEC, or employer-specific work permit. Get an educational credential assessment and take IELTS or TEF now, since results take weeks. Once done, convert your resume to the Canadian format and request reference letters from past employers. Make digital copies of diplomas and ID, and create a simple checklist so each required document is tracked and ready for applications. You now move into active applications and networking. This is where momentum matters. Apply to targeted positions on JobBank, LinkedIn, and provincial portals, tailoring each resume and cover letter to the posting. Simultaneously, reach out to recruiters and join virtual job fairs to create opportunities that aren't posted. Prepare interview answers using the STAR method and study Canadian workplace norms and typical salary ranges. Make sure to track responses and follow up politely after 1 week if you haven't heard back. You finalize by securing the permit and planning the move. These steps close the loop. When you accept an offer, work with your employer to submit LMIA or employer-specific paperwork and apply for the work permit promptly. Once approved, arrange housing, obtain a SIN, open a bank account, and enroll for provincial health coverage within the required window. If delays occur, don't stop searching. Extend applications where possible. Consider short-term gigs or bridging programs, and contact immigration support for document issues as your troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.